Part 1 was square egg. Part 2, an animal that survived space. Part 3, immortality. But Part 4 gets bloody weird. Meet the horseshoe crab, a living fossil that's been around for over 450 million years. But here's the crazy part. Its blood is bright blue, like Smurf-level blue. Why? Because it uses copper, not iron, to carry oxygen. That turns its blood blue and incredibly valuable. In fact, scientists harvest horseshoe crab blood to test vaccines and medicines because it can detect deadly bacteria better than anything else. Blue blood, ancient DNA. Want a part 5? Hit follow and comment. Nature's wild.